Hey there, Ashley. My name is Jose. I believe my wife spoke to you a couple of days ago about sending you this video, so here it is as promised. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to bring in more traffic through your website. That way you don't have to run ads or pay for leads through Yelp, which Yelp actually shares your leads with like 5 other companies anyway. So this is a more efficient way. And so these are tips that you can implement yourselves. So I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine. So let's get to it. First tip I have for you is content. And by content I mean everything that's highlighted here, including your words and images. Okay, and so uh, you want to fill these words in with keywords. And by keywords I mean the words that people type into Google when searching for your services. Okay? So for example, you want to add about 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then within that, you want to add the keywords such as kitchen remodel, Boston, uh, floor flooring in Boston. You know, whatever your services is and location, and that is what a keyword is. Okay. Now, what I did is I went ahead and pulled up a couple of your top competitors in your area, and I put you guys on this tool here, and I'm going to show you the difference between the back end of your websites. Okay, so first of all, number one, 2,900 keywords here, 1,200 keywords for these guys, and for you, 12 organic keywords. So let's click on them and see what they are. So you're not being found for any, as you can see here. To be found on the first page of Google, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. Okay, so you have these words on your website and see there are only 12, but you're not being found for any of them because you're not optimizing for them. So let's look at your competitors here and show you an example of what it's supposed to look like. So you position 1. So Boston Fire Escape, position 1. Let's see here. Green Building Contractors. At Construction LLC, 20 searches a month. Granite Poultice. Boston Remodeling Contractors, 20 searches a month. Third position. Let's see here. And these are all adding up. 20, 20, 10. Boston Remodeling Contractors. Let's see here. General Contractors, Boston, Massachusetts. 150 searches a month. These guys are in the fourth position. Beacon Hill Construction, Remodeling Contractors, Boston, 30 searches a month. And so they start adding up hundreds and hundreds of searches that you're missing out on by not optimizing for these keywords. So you need to add these keywords onto your website first of all, and then second of all, you need to give them power by using backlinks, which brings me to the second point. So let's go ahead and look at your backlinks real quick. So what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And you have backlinks, but they may be low quality backlinks, which is why your score is so low. Um, so the UR is the power of your front page, and the DR is your overall website power. Okay, and you want to have high quality backlinks on powerful websites because some of that power actually brings up your score. So if you have backlinks on low quality or low quality backlinks on weak websites, then it'll bring your score down. Okay, and so you need to get keywords and you need to get backlinks to get more power. This is your competitor's power here. Let's look at them. This is them 830, not the best either. 24 and a 3.3, not the best either. See, and they have a lot of backlinks as well. They just have a lot of weak or crappy ones. So the third tip I wanted to give you is how to outrank everybody on this map pack here. And what you want to do is get citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com. That is what a citation is. So you want to find out how many your competitors have, by using there's a lot of online tools that can help you figure that out, and uh, you want to get about 20 or 30 more than they have, the top competitor. Okay, and that will immensely help you guys on this map pack. So those are the three tips I wanted to give you. Number one, content. You want about 1,000 to 1,500 words with keywords. Optimize all your images on your website as well with keywords. Number two, get backlinks to get power and get more noticed by Google. And number three, citations. Okay, now these are things you can implement yourselves. It just takes a lot of research and time. So if you need any help with this, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and my number is 806-268-7118. Hope this helps. Bye.